Do you know how easy it is to add cool effects in iMovie? You will find everything in the clip filter and audio effects. You can use many cool audio effects, but that is not the topic of this video. Let's see what video effects are available. Click on the clip filter and you will see all the filters. The first one is none and then the flipped. You can show the original video and the flipped video side by side. That will be a cool thing. To preview what an effect will do, just mouse over it and you will see a preview on the right. So what if you do not want to apply an effect on the whole clip? That's easy, just split the clip where you want to show effect. For example, I will split here with Command B. Then another split here and I got a 0.3 seconds of clip. Select the clip and apply a clip filter to it. Let's choose the silent era. If I play this, you will see how it looks. So it applies the effect and goes back to normal. This way you can add effects easily in iMovie. So go ahead and try some effects. Also remember, you can add audio effects too. Thanks for watching this video and see you next.